Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a resin coaster in this shape with some natural plant life. I foraged today. I got some beautiful flowers today and I'm just so excited to do this. I already got one part of the resin in there. You just need 2 parts. So I'm gonna pour a little more in there. I don't think you need this much, but a little bit goes a long way, they say. So I'm just gonna pour it in there. It is clean. That's just resin residue from resin that I did before. Okay, so I got one part in there. I got a little above 1 ounce. So now I'm gonna put in some hardener to about 1 ounce because you want to have a 1 to part 1 part in there. Got about 1 ounce in there. Now I'm gonna pour it. Wait, gotta make sure it's kind of dry. Yeah. Make sure it's dry before and pour it in there. Now I'm just gonna keep it right there. And now we're gonna apply some of these beautiful flowers. I'm thinking about trying that one, of course, because it's just beautiful. Just beautiful. Get some of that debris away. I did pick these this morning. And just get some debris away. I'm gonna use this to put it down and everything. Put it all in there. I'm gonna put some more resin. Just to kind of help submerge this a little bit better. And that's what we're looking at like right now. It looks pretty good. Thinking about adding some stuff, but I'm unsure. I'm like, should I add a flower or should I not? I don't know. I'm thinking it looks really good like the way it is, but I'm thinking maybe just a little pop of color. Oh no, where should If y'all wonder why I flipped it over, that's still going to be the facing down side. So I flipped it over like that for that reason. I got some more of those cute little flowers. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add some more of those in there. Just for cute little pop of color again. There you go. Let's put it right there. Just to like, I don't know, have a cute little continuum of this beautiful piece. Maybe I should lift it because it's not doing what I needed to do. A beautiful continuum of this piece, like around it. That's what I'm thinking. And I'm out of those. So now, we can try. I want to try something, but I'm unsure about it. I'm gonna do that, like up there. And then I'm do on, maybe not, I'm not sure. Let me just move it kind of. I'm not, no, we're gonna take those out. We're gonna take those out. Little oopsie, maybe not. I don't like how it looked, so I'm like, nah, no. But I do have another flower that I can place that I'm like, yeah, I want to place some petals. I want to place some petals. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope y'all have an amazing day.